Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to demonstrate my three new products that I made. First is the portaband vertical and horizontal stand. This is all aluminum. What you do, you can use it horizontal, and this way you use it vertically. You can cut whatever materials. This is a U-bolt bender. It makes U-bolts, all different sizes. This is a 6-inch. This is a 5-inch. And this is my jigsaw converted sewing machine. So let's get started and have some fun. This is how it works horizontally. You can cut multiple cuts. I have a stop block here, which you can adjust back and forth. There's a drywall screw that holds the trigger down. This is all aluminum construction. It's held by 2 screws in the back on an aluminum hinge. So the aluminum hinge is very tight on there. So the saw itself just draws down slowly. Hold. So anyways, this is how you mount it on the hinge. Plug in the saw. You plug in the saw here. And there's 2 screws there that hold it on top of the hinge. This hinge, when you have it vertically, it's held flat there, and then the saw. So this hinge is very, very hard to push, but when you have the saw, it's like a counterbalance. It's operated by foot pedal. So this is a 14-inch long threaded rod, and I'm going to insert it into the guide. And this 3/8 nut acts like a stopper. And then what you'll do, you'll just lift this up. That's it. Then you take out the 3/8 nut. And you have a perfect U-bolt. Alright, so anyways, these are 2 wheels. They're approximately 2.5 inches apart. And what this is the stationary wheel, and this one here is the one that brings the threaded rod across. So I just bent this and I riveted it together, and then I welded this. So basically this thing here, it goes on the floor, and you put your foot here and you use it to bend your U-bolt. So this you can use out in the field rather than here in the vise. All right, so let's go have some fun with that sewing machine jigsaw. Okay, thanks. Okay, so now we're going to take this hand wheel off. We're going to put the super duper Milwaukee. This is the handle. I'm going to adapt this as my motor. And then what we're going to do, we're going to lock that in there. It's a half-inch Milwaukee drill. And we're going to wrap this around here. Okay, ready? Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how I cut this. I got my fence here, my gate, and it's just basically a magnet, very strong. Okay, so anyways, let's get started. So there's a cut. Nice and straight. And it works really good. And after you're done with this, cutting wood or whatever, you can convert it back to a sewing machine and start making your suits, clothes, whatever you want. Thanks for watching. See you later.